When someone praises you in a good time.
Little brother, I'm so happy and proud of you.
You have to accept all criticism in a bad time.
Did you see this, husband? This son of yours is rude, unfit for a prince. He'll bring shame to your honor. Despicable.
Even if you are a prince or an orphan, I cannot tell you who will be a good leader, but I can tell you who could not.
Syren, apologize to your older brother right now.
I will not.
Syren, I am your father and you refuse to listen to me?
If I'm in the wrong, I will, but I'm not. For 10 years, I've always been the one to blame. Today, I will not take the responsibility for something I didn't do.
Did you see this, husband? This son of yours is rude, unfit for a prince. He'll bring shame to your honor. Despicable.
Second wife Madeline. This is a squabble between kids, not adults. If Siren is enough to make the king lose his honor, won't that include your son Caden as well?
Queen Irina!
Both of you, I did not give you permission to speak. Syren, now that you can speak for yourself, are my words meaningless to you?
Father, you sent us to school to educate us, to teach us good manners and how to progress. If I'm the one that started the problem, I will gladly take the punishment. However, Brother Caden and I are involved in this situation. You haven't even interrogated and you're already putting the blame on my shoulder. As the king of our kingdom, if we are not your sons and you ask to judge our case and you point a finger without any more reason, should the people of our kingdom have respect for you?
This is an argument between kids, yet you actually raise your hand on your son. You can punish him by the law for his mistake, but it was both sides' fault. I haven't even started on the fact that Siren was not the one who instigated the fight. Since you already laid down the punishment, you must also hit.
Stop that, Queen Irina. Stay on your side and don't pull my son into this.
Don't cry, my dear Siren.
I cried, not because I'm sad, Mother, but Father never loves me. Am I not his son?
Those who are cowardly and use force against the weak will never be true kings.
My dear husband, please don't worry about the little mischievous, son, Siren. He made a mistake and deserved that punishment.
Wife, I am angry at myself, for I should have hit Caden as well. This time it is his wrongdoing.
What? No way! Caden is not at fault. You know full well how much Queen Irina's son, Syren, is jealous of my dear son, Caden. He's a schemer, instigating Caden to start the fight.
But Caden is the oldest. He shouldn't have minded those little schemes.
Those who are big, tall, arrogant, and they show overconfidence, as well as belittle their peers, will never be able to compete and win.
Peirson, what the hell is wrong with you?
I hate liars.
What are you trying to say?
You're the one who started the fight. Why'd you blame it on Syren?
Whose brothers are you?
Syren is our younger brother. Every competition, he's never won a fight with us. Why are you always picking on him?
You don't know anything, Peirson. I'm done talking to you. Foolish idiot. If you are not my blood brother, I won't even look at you.
Take one step at a time. Kill her slowly to avoid leaving any footprint.
You have one job completed. Then you're free. Queen Irina, I told you to stay on your side, but you crossed the line.
Those who are tiny, weak, and of low status believe that they will never have the opportunity. For them, they are stepping stones.
I'll send you 3 princes into my small illusion forest. Each one of you must be able to capture a fire beast, and that beast must be able to light the pile of woods in front of you. Look at this tiny savanna. I'll send you 3 in. It's pitch black inside, and you'll have to get out before the sun goes down.
You see that stupid younger brother of yours is all talk but no brawn? He should've just gave up and stopped wasting Master Ben's precious time.
It's still daylight.
My god, why is my brother someone as dumb as you?
A great leader is someone who endures pain. They endure suffering and endure the wrath of others.
Master Bin, this is the rainy season. There was no lightning storms. All the woods are wet from the rain. How can it catch on fire?
Husband, what's wrong? Hurry up and tell us the name.
The winner of this competition is Siren.
There's no way! I don't believe it, Master Ben. You have seen that my son Caden was the winner at every competition. Can you tell me what's going on?
Greetings, my queen. I am not the one who decides. Black Forest will select the one with the greatest strength, and that choice has been made. My king, in 2 days we will escort Prince Syren to the Black Forest. Today my job is done. I will take my leave.
Little brother, I'm so happy and proud of you. Once you leave, don't slack off and study hard. I'll study hard too. And when you return, we'll compete.
Thank you, Brother Peirson, for encouraging me.
No worries. You rest. I'll leave you.
Peirson, you traitor! You already know that Master Ben made a foolish mistake. Why are you congratulating that bastard Siren for?
Brother Caden, this is not Master Ben's decision, nor the both of us. It's the Black Forest's. When your strength is not to par, don't blame others.
Me? My strength is not on par with him? Are you blind? You can see that I won in every competition. Out of nowhere, how did that bastard Siren beat me?
Don't know. Go ask the Black Forest if you want to know.
Master, I really don't understand. In all 3 competitions, Prince Siren lost all of them. How is he the victor?
Kai, the Black Forest can see more than a human's eye. Do you remember King Phoenix's stone tower that collapsed, and the wet forest that caught on fire? Prince Siren was able to open the door and escape the depth of the Black Forest, while Prince Caden and Prince Peirson weren't able to open it. Prince Siren's strength is unmeasurable, but uncontrollable. The Black Forest will not accept anyone less.
Oh, I get it now. But wouldn't that cause enough jealousy and hate for 3 generations?
There will always be negative emotions. Even a greedy person who rules the world with all the lands and gold will never be enough.
My goodness, Master! What was that?
You little... Don't come close to me. Walk on your own.
But I'm scared.
am Prince Seijun. Who are you?
So, you're Prince Seijun. Stunning, impressive, and certainly worthy of your fame. This is Prince Cloud Syren. You will have time for a long conversation. In the next 4 years, you and he will live as brothers.
Having been beaten to their knees, they can use what's left of their bodies to search deep within.
Mr. Sin, thank you. Even if I don't get better, I will not be sad. If my little Cloud came back and he no longer had his mother, please love and support him.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see Mother Irina.
Is she your mother? Why are you visiting?
If our mother is ill, I'll want younger brother Syren to come visit too. I don't separate people as your group or their group. I only know that all our lives are equal.
Oh, hell, brother. Why are you so stupid?
Once upon Queen Irina.
Did you see that? You can keep your love. I don't feel sad.
Mother!
Syren, what's wrong? Did you have a nightmare?
I had a dream about my mother. She was sick when I came. What can I do to return home?
Your mother managed to send you here. If you return home, you won't be able to come back. I think you'll make your mother happier if you work hard and study. After completing the training in 4 years, our parents' support and efforts will be worth it.
In the face of nothing left to give, they still offer a hand to the next one. My main message was to love and help one another. You will realize when you reach out to others that many are also wanting to help you, but don't know if you want it. It is my hope that both of you can respect and support one another, becoming brothers in arms who shared the same fate.